Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day. Don't forget, grab your smartphone and download the Lava Matra app and stay in touch. Guru Maharaj's message is your advantage. The following is a Sri Krishna Chaitanya book compilation given by His Holiness Jaya Pataka Swami Maharaj on June 17th, 2021 in Sri Mayapur, India.
Shri Gurum Deenatarinam
Paramananda Madhavam
Shri Chaitanya Mishwaram.
Hare Om Tat Sat.
Hare Krishna dear devotees, today we will continue with the compilation of the Shri Krishna Chaitanya book. Today's chapter is entitled as Three Clapping of Srivas Thakur teaches self-sufficiency of the surrendered Vaishnava Grahasthas. Under the section, the Lord's attempt to go to Vrindavan. Chaitanya Bhagavat Antakanda 5.33.
এই মতো রঙ্গে প্রভু শ্রীগৌর সুন্দর কতদিন রহিলেন শ্রীবাসের ঘর।
In this way, Lord Sri Gaura Sundara
In this way, Lord Sri Gaura Sundara
joyfully stayed some days
joyfully stayed some days
in the house of Srivas Pandit.
in the house of Srivas Pandit. C.B. Antya 5.34.
শ্রীবাস রামাই দুই ভাই গুণ গায় বিহবল হইয়া নাচে বৈকুণ্ঠের রায়।
Two brothers,
The two brothers,
Lord Srivas Pandit
Srivas Pandit
and Ramai Pandit,
and Ramai Pandit,
glorified Lord Chaitanya's qualities.
glorified Lord Chaitanya's qualities.
Lord Chaitanya, the Lord of Vaikuntha,
Lord Chaitanya, Lord of Vaikuntha,
being overwhelmed with ecstasy,
being overwhelmed with ecstasy,
he danced.
he danced. C.B. Antya 5.35.
চৈতন্যের অতি প্রিয় শ্রীবাস রামাই দুই চৈতন্যের দেহ দ্বিধা কিছু নাই।
Srivas Pandit and Ramai Pandit were most dear to Lord Chaitanya. There is no doubt that the two were as good as Lord Chaitanya's body. C.B. Antya 5.36 to 37.
সংকীর্তন ভাগবত পাঠ ব্যবহারে বিদূষক লীলায় অশেষ প্রকারে জন্মায়ন প্রভুর সন্তোষ শ্রীনিবাস যার গৃহে প্রভুর সবাদ্য পরকাশ।
Performing the congregational chanting of the holy names,
Performing the congregational chanting of the holy names.
bracket, Sankirtan, end of bracket,
Bracket, Sankirtan, end of bracket.
comma, reciting the Srimad Bhagavatam,
Comma, reciting the Srimad Bhagavatam.
comma, and proper behavior according to etiquette.
Comma, and proper behavior according to the etiquette.
And pastimes which were flawless,
Pastime which were
flawless,
flawless,
unlimited quantity.
unlimited quantity.
By these, Srivas Thakur,
By this Srivas Thakur
please Lord Chaitanya,
pleased Lord Chaitanya,
and in his house, Lord Chaitanya
And in his house, Lord Chaitanya
manifests himself.
manifests himself. Prepared by his divine grace, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Srila Prabhupada. Srivas pleased Sri Gaur Sundar in various ways by performing Sankirtan, reciting Srimad Bhagavatam, and displaying proper etiquette, filled with great affection and love devoid of awe and veneration.
নিবৃত্তে
So, Srivas and his brother Ramai dealt so nicely with the Lord
So
Chaitanya
Srivas and his brother Ramai dealt so nicely with Lord Chaitanya
that he was very satisfied and he revealed himself
that he was very satisfied and he revealed himself
in the house of Srivas.
in the house of Srivas. Chaitanya C.B. Antya 5.28.
নিবৃত্তে প্রভু ও শ্রীবাসের ব্যবহার কথোপকথন ছলে শরণাগত লক্ষণ বৈষ্ণব গৃহস্থের স্বনির্বাহ শিক্ষা। একদিন প্রভু শ্রীনিবাসের সহিত ব্যবহার কথা কিছু কহেন নিবৃত।
One day, Lord Chaitanya
One day Lord Chaitanya
met with Srinivas
met with Srinivas
Pandit
Pandit
in a solitary place
in a solitary place
and spoke about his duties.
and spoke about his duties. C.B. Antya 5.39.
প্রভু বলে তুমি দেখি কোথাও না যাও, কেমতে বা কুলাইবা কেমতে কুলাও।
Lord Chaitanya asked, I see that you do not go anywhere. How then do you maintain your family? How will you maintain them? C.B. Antya 5.40.
শ্রীবাস বলেন প্রভু কোথাও যাইতে নালয় আমার চিত্ত কহিনু তোমাতে।
Srivas Pandit replied,
Srivas Pandit replied,
O Lord
O Lord,
Chaitanya,
quote, O Lord Chaitanya,
I tell you that
I tell you that
I don't like to go anywhere.
I don't like to go anywhere. Unquote. C.B. Antya 5.41.
প্রভু বলে পরিবার অনেক তোমার নির্বাহ কেমতে তবে হইবে সবার।
Lord Chaitanya then said, You have a large family. How will you maintain them all? C.B. Antya 5.42.
শ্রীবাস বলেন যার অদৃষ্টে যা থাকে সেই হইবেক মিলিবেক যেতে পাকে।
Srivas Pandit said, quote, One will somehow or other receive whatever he is destined to receive. Unquote. C.B. Antya 5.43.
প্রভু বলে তবে তুমি করহ সন্ন্যাস তাহা না পারিব মুই বলেন শ্রীবাস।
Lord Chaitanya then said, Then you should take sannyas. And Srivas Pandit replied, I cannot do that. I am not able to do that. Quote unquote. C.B. Antya 5.44.
প্রভু বলে সন্ন্যাস গ্রহণ না করিবা, ভিক্ষা করিতেও কারো দ্বারে না যাইবা।
Lord Chaitanya said, you will not take coat, you will not take sannyas, and you will not go to anyone's door to beg alms. C.B. Antya 5.45.
কেমতে করিবা পরিবারের পোষণ, কিছুই তো না বুঝি মুই তোমার বচন।
How then will you maintain your family? I do not understand. What are you saying? C.B. Antya,
I do not understand anything.
I do not understand anything. What are you saying? C.B. Antya 5.46.
এ কালেতে কোথাও না গেলে না আইলে, বটমাত্র কাহারেও আসিয়া না মিলে।
Nowadays, if one does not
Nowadays, if one does not
go out
go out
and not bring anything back,
and not bring anything back,
even a little or even a small portion,
even a little or even a small portion,
nothing will come.
nothing will come. C.B. Antya 5.47.
না মিলিল যদি আসি তোমার দুয়ারে, তবে তুমি কি করিবা বলো হ আমারে।
Tell me, if nothing comes to your door, what will you do? C.B. Antya 5.48.
শ্রীবাস বলেন হাতে তিন তালি দিয়া, এক দুই তিন এই কহিলু ভাঙ্গিয়া।
Srivas clapped his hands 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This is the secret. C.B. Antya 5.49.
প্রভু বলে এক দুই তিন যে করিলা, কি অর্থ ইহার বল কেনে তালি দিলা।
Lord Chaitanya said,
Lord Chaitanya said,
quote,
quote,
what is the meaning of this 1, 2, 3
what is the meaning of this 1, 2, 3?
question, unquote.
Question, unquote.
Why? What is the meaning? What is the meaning? Tell me.
Tell me, what is the meaning of this?
Why did you clap?
Why did you clap?
Unquote.
Unquote. C.B. Antya 5.50 to 51.
শ্রীবাস বলেন এই ধরান আমার, তিন উপবাসেও যদি না মিলে আহার, তবে সত্য কহ ঘট বান্দিয়া গলায়, প্রবেশ করিমু মুই সর্বথা গঙ্গায়।
Srivas Pandit replied,
Srivas Pandit replied,
this is my fixed determination.
this is my fixed determination.
If I do not receive food for 3 days,
If I do not receive food for 3 days,
then I tell you the truth,
then I tell you the truth,
I will tie a pot
I will tie a pot
to my neck
to my neck
and drown myself in the Ganges.
and drown myself in the Ganges. Haribo! Srivas Pandit ki jai! C.B. Antya 5.52.
এই মাত্র শ্রীবাসের শুনিয়া বচন, হুঙ্কার করিয়া ওঠে শচির নন্দন।
As soon as the son of Sachi heard Shiva's words, he roared loudly and stood up. CB Antya 5.53.
প্রভু বলে কি বলিলি পণ্ডিত শ্রীবাস তোর কি অন্যের হইবে উপাস
Lord Chaitanya.
Lord Chaitanya said, quote, "What did you say, Pandit Srivas? You will starve for want of food?" Unquote. CB Antya 5.54.
কদাচিৎ লক্ষ্মীর ভিক্ষা সম্ভব হইলেও একান্ত শরণাগত শ্রীবাসের অর্থ অভাব সম্ভব নহে যদি কদাচিৎ বা লক্ষ্মীও ভিক্ষা করে তথাপি তো দারিদ্র নহিব তোর ঘরে
Even if Lakshmi Devi has to beg,
Even if Lakshmi Devi has to beg,
still your household will not be affected by poverty.
still your household will not be afflicted by poverty. Purport by His Divine Grace Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Srila Prabhupada. Even if Lakshmi Devi, the source of unlimited potencies and all opulences, ever faces poverty, the unalloyed topmost devotee Shiva's Pandit will never face poverty.
And this faith of Shiva's Prabhu,
So this faith of Shiva's Prabhu,
and the Lord will always maintain him,
that the Lord will always maintain him,
is incomparable.
is incomparable.
And Lord Chaitanya gave him the blessing
And Lord Chaitanya gave him the blessing
that never will he experience poverty in his household.
never will he have experienced poverty in his household.
So, Srivas Thakur situation is incomparable.
So Srivas Thakur's situation is incomparable. CB Antya 5.55.
আপনে যে গীতা শাস্ত্রে বলিয়াছে মুই তাহ কি শ্রীবাস এবে পাশরিলে তুই
Oh Srivas, have you forgotten?
Srila Pandit,
Oh Srivas Pandit, have you forgotten what I personally said in the Bhagavad Gita? Quote unquote. CB Antya 5.56. Ananyas chintayantyo mam ejana paryupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshem
শ্রী গীতায় শ্রী গৌরহরির বাণী তথাহি গীতা নবম অধ্যায়ের 22 নম্বর শ্লোক
But those who always worship me with exclusive devotion, meditating on my transcendental form, to them I carry what they lack and I preserve what they have.
this is the promise of Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita.
So, this is the promise of Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita.
And so, Srila Pandit, because he follows his faith,
And because Shiva's Pandit, he follows this faith,
is always absorbed in pure devotion for the Lord.
is always absorbed in pure devotion for the Lord.
The Lord provides what he lacks,
So the Lord provides what he lacks
carries what he has,
and carries what he has,
or preserves.
or preserves what he has. CB Antya 5.57.
যে যে জন চিন্তে মোর অনন্য হইয়া তারে ভিক্ষা দেয় মুই মাথায় বহিয়া
Lord Chaitanya said,
Lord Chaitanya said, I personally carry on my head the needs of any person who thinks of me without deviation. CB Antya 5.58.
শরণাগত সেবককে অর্থের জন্য অন্যের মুখাপেক্ষী হইতে হয় না। যেই মোরে চিনতে নাহি যায় কারো ধারে, আপনে আসিয়া সর্ব সিদ্ধি মিলে তারে।
Oh, always thinks of me.
Who always thinks of me,
Who doesn't go to anyone's door.
who doesn't go to anyone's door.
All perfection will automatically come to him.
All perfection will automatically come to him. CB Antya 5.59.
ধর্ম অর্থ কাম মোক্ষ আপনে আইসে, তথাপিও না চায় না লয় মোর দাসে।
Even though religiosity, economic development, sense gratification, and liberation automatically come to my servants, they do not look at them or accept them. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, purport by His Divine Grace Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Srila Prabhupada. In the Srimad Bhagavatam 3.29.13, it is stated, a pure devotee does not accept any kind of liberation, salokya, shashti, samipya, sarupya, or ekatva, even though they are offered by the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
The devotee of Krishna
The pure devotees of Krishna
doesn't want anything
doesn't want anything
except the eternal service of the Lord.
except the eternal service of the Lord.
He can accept certain types of liberation
He can accept certain types of liberation
if it includes service to the Lord.
if it includes service to the Lord.
Otherwise, if it facilitates service to the Lord, otherwise, he's not interested.
Otherwise, if it doesn't facilitate service to the Lord, otherwise he is not interested. CB Antya 5.60.
মোর সুদর্শন চক্রে রাখে মোর দাস, মহাপ্রলয়েও যার নাহিক বিনাশ।
My Sudarshan Chakra always protects my devotees. Even during the final dissolution, they are not destroyed.
Hello.
Hari Bol! CB Antya 5.61.
শ্রী চৈতন্যের দাসের স্মরণকারী ব্যক্তিকেও শ্রী চৈতন্য পোষণ ও পালন করেন। যে মহার দাসেরও করয়ে স্মরণ, তাহারেও কর মুই পোষণ পালন।
I personally protect and maintain anyone who remembers even my servant. CB Purport by His Divine Grace Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Srila Prabhupada. I bestow mercy on anyone who remembers me. I maintain and protect one who remembers even my servant. The devotee of my devotee is most dear to me.
So many times, the devotees are asking,
So many times the devotees are asking,
they remember the spiritual master or the founder Acharya
they remember the spiritual master or the founder Acharya
at the time of leaving their body.
at the time of leaving their body.
Will they be blessed?
Will they be blessed?
By this, Krishna says,
So by this Krishna
Lord
says,
Chaitanya says,
or Lord Chaitanya says,
not only is one delivered by remembering him,
not only one is delivered by remembering him,
but he maintains and protects one remembers even his servants.
He maintains and protects one who remembers even his servants.
The devotee of my devotee
The devotee of my devotee
is most dear to me.
is most dear to me.
Viva!
Haribo! Jai Guru Maharaj. CV Antya 5.62.
শ্রী চৈতন্য সেবকের দাস শ্রী চৈতন্য প্রভুর অধিক প্রিয়। সেবকের দাস সে মহার প্রিয় বড়, অনাহাসে সেই সে মহারে পায় ধর।
The servant of my servant is most dear to me. Such a person easily attains me without a doubt. CB Antya 5.63.
বিশ্বম্বর স্বয়ং যাহার ভরণকর্তা, সেই শরণাগত সেবকের ভক্ষ আচ্ছাদনের চিন্তা কি? কোন চিন্তা মোর সেবকের বক্ষ করি, মুই যার পোষ্টা আছো সবার ওপরি।
How can my servant be in anxiety for food?
How can my servant be in anxiety for food
I'm there to maintain him
when I am there to maintain him
above all. Above all.
above all? CB Antya 5.64.
ঘরে বসিয়া থাকিলেও শরণাগত দ্বারে সকল সম্বারের শতই আগমন। সুখে শ্রীনিবাস তুমি বসি থাকো গরে, আপনি আসিবে সব তোমার দুয়ারে।
Oh Srinivas, you just sit happily at home. Everything will come to your doorstep. CB Antya 5.65.
শ্রী অদ্বৈত ও শ্রীবাসের প্রতি প্রভুর বর। অদ্বৈতেরে তোমারে আমার এই বর, জরাগ্রস্ত নহিবে তোহার কলেবর।
My benediction to Advaita Acharya
My benediction to Advaita Acharya
and to you yourself
and to you is so
that your bodies
to
will
you,
never be afflicted by old age.
to yourself is that your bodies will never be afflicted by old age. Purport by His Divine Grace Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Srila Prabhupada. Sri Mahaprabhu gave the benediction that old age would never affect the transcendental bodies of Srivas and Sri Advaita Prabhu.
So, in the temples of Yogapit
So in the temples of Yogapit
and Siddhas Angan
and Srivas Angan
and Advaita's house,
and Advaita's house,
as established by Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur,
as established by Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Srila Saraswati Thakur,
the form of Advaita Acharya
the form of Advaita Acharya
stays always young.
stays always young. CB Antya 5.66.
রাম পণ্ডিতেরে ডাকি শ্রী গৌর সুন্দর, প্রভু বলে শোনো রাম আমার উত্তর।
Lord,
Lord Sri Gaur Sundar then called Ram Pandit and said, O Ram Pandit, listen to what I say. CB Antya 5.67.
জ্যেষ্ঠ ভাই শ্রীবাসেরে তুমি সর্বথায়, সেবিবে ঈশ্বর বুদ্ধে আমার আজ্ঞায়।
My order is that you must always serve your elder brother as if he were the Supreme Lord.
elder Shiva.
Your elder brother Srivas Pandit, as if he were the Supreme Lord. CB Antya 5.68.
প্রাণ সহ তুমি মোর শ্রীরাম পণ্ডিত শ্রীবাসের সেবা না ছাড়িবা কদাচিৎ।
Oh, Sri Ram Pandit, you are as dear to me as my own life. You should never give up the service of Srivas Pandit
Anytime.
at any time. You should never give up the service of Srivas Pandit at any time. CB Antya 5.69.
শুনিয়া প্রভুর বাক্য শ্রীবাস শ্রীরাম অন্ত নাহি আনন্দে হইলা পূর্ণ কাম।
Hearing Lord Chaitanya's words,
Hearing Lord Chaitanya's words,
Srivas Pandit and Sri Ram Pandit
Srivas Pandit and Sri Ram Pandit
became unlimitedly happy,
became unlimitedly happy,
and their desires were completely fulfilled.
and their desires were completely fulfilled. CB Antya 570.
অদ্যাপিও শ্রীবাসেরে চৈতন্য কৃপায় দ্বারে সব উপসন্ন হইতেছে লীলায়।
By the mercy of Lord Chaitanya,
By the mercy of Lord Chaitanya,
even today,
even today,
everything comes to the door of Srivas Pandit.
everything comes to the door of Srivas Pandit. CB Antya
I think this is I could say, like, this is the pastime of the Lord.
This is like the pastime of the Lord.
শ্রীবাসের উদার চরিত্র অনির্বচনীয়। কি কহিব শ্রীবাসের উদার চরিত্র ত্রিভুবন হয় যার স্মরণে পবিত্র।
How can I describe the magnanimous characteristics of Srivas Pandit? The three worlds become purified simply by remembering him. CB Antya 5.72.
সত্য সেবিলেন চৈতন্যের শ্রীনিবাস যার ঘরে চৈতন্যের সকল বিলাস।
Srivas Pandit.
Srivas Pandit truly served Lord Chaitanya, for Lord Chaitanya enacted his pastimes in his house. CB Antya 5.73.
কয়েকদিন প্রভুর শ্রীবাস ভবনে অবস্থান। হেন রঙ্গে শ্রীবাস মন্দিরে গৌর রায় রহিলেন কতদিন শ্রীবাস ইচ্ছায়।
In this way, by the desire of Srivas Pandit, Lord Gaura Rai happily stayed in the house of Srivas Pandit for a few days,
Oh, Sunday.
for some days. CB Antya 5.74.
ঠাকুর পণ্ডিত সর্বগোষ্ঠীর সহিতে আনন্দে বাসেন প্রভু দেখিতে দেখিতে।
Srivas Thakur and his family members
Srivas Thakur and his family members
all floated in an ocean of bliss,
all floated in ocean of bliss,
seeing Lord Chaitanya,
seeing Lord Chaitanya,
constantly seeing
constantly seeing
Lord.
Lord Chaitanya.
So, members of Srivas Thakur's household are all pure devotees of Lord Chaitanya.
So the members of Srivas Thakur, Srivas Pandit's household, remember they are all devotees of Lord Chaitanya.
and they are on an ocean bliss.
And they were floating in an ocean of bliss.
This is the seeing Lord Chaitanya and serving his lotus feet.
Just by seeing Lord Chaitanya and serving his lotus feet. Thus ends the chapter entitled Three Clappings of Srivas Thakur teaches self-sufficiency of the surrendered Vaishnava Grahasthas. Haribol! Under the section, the Lord's attempt to go to Vrindavan.
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.